Here is our problem. We know that z1 equals 2 plus 7i, and z2 equals negative 5 plus 3i. We need to find the modulus of 2 times z1 take away 4 times z2. Let's do it nice and slow. Let's put in what z1 and z2 really are. So everywhere we see z1, we write 2 plus 7i. And for z2, we write negative 5 plus 3i. Let's do the first part. We take 2 times each piece inside the bracket. 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 7i is 14i. So we get 4 plus 14i. Now let's do the second part. We take 4 times each piece inside this bracket. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20, and 4 times 3i is 12i. So we get negative 20 plus 12i. Now we put both pieces back into our problem. We need to take away negative 20 plus 12i from 4 plus 14i. Remember, taking away a negative number is the same as adding. When we take away the whole bracket, the negative 20 becomes plus 20, and the plus 12i becomes take away 12i. The signs flip when we remove the bracket. Let's put the normal numbers together and the I numbers together. We have 4 and 20 as normal numbers, and 14i and take away 12i as our I numbers. 4 plus 20 gives us 24. And 14i take away 12i gives us 2i. So inside the modulus bars, we have 24 plus 2i. Nice and clean. Now we find the modulus. The modulus formula says we square the normal part, square the I part, add them, and take the square root. So we square 24 and square 2. 24 times 24 is 576, and 2 times 2 is 4. Now we just add these two numbers together under the square root. 576 plus 4 gives us 580. So we need the square root of 580. Let's see if we can make this simpler. We can split 580 into 4 times 145. The square root of 4 is 2, and 145 cannot be made simpler. So our answer is 2 times the square root of 145. We did it. The modulus of 2z1 take away 4z2 equals 2 times the square root of 145. Great job working through every step.